Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, what a rally. We have hugely outperformed the world markets. Nifty opened about 100 point higher. Then it is all the way one-way rally, short covering, nothing else. There was some profit booking only towards the end of the day. That was expected, So FIIs, when they were selling, when Nifty trading around 15,200, why not they will be selling at Nifty 15,700? And yesterday, Nifty broke 15,200 and today high is 15,700. It's a 500 point rally. Last Thursday, 500 point fall. And today 500 point up from yesterday low to today, 1000 point swing from last Thursday to today Tuesday. This is a highly volatile market, very difficult, especially for people like me, for option sellers. And we normally sell put option when market goes higher, we'll sell call option when market comes down. But this is two-way huge moves, making our trading very difficult. I've been saying, for this week, 15,650 to 15,700 will be the huge resistance. And that is because, on the way down, 15,671 was the March 8th low and 15,659 was the last week low. And so naturally on the higher side, when it is broken, that will become the resistance, and both the resistance are taken out just in one trading session. And nobody thought this kind of short covering. So the short covering is so powerful that yesterday I told you HDFC has given a long signal. Today during the market hours, both Nifty, Bank Nifty, TCS have given long signal as per my technical analysis. And the energy sector was the huge outperformer. That's because energy sector was the worst performer yesterday. Whichever sectors did very badly yesterday, they all outperformed today. Look at the metal index and look at the PSU bank index. So energy index. So these are the laggards yesterday and they have outperformed today. Since morning, one good thing happened. The India VIX fell, and India VIX fell more than 5% today. And Europe has been trading very firmly since afternoon. A Dow future at some point of time, it was higher by 500 points, but now it is cooling off a little bit, 400 point higher. And because of that, SGX Nifty is also cooling off a little bit. And why? Last week market fell 500 point. Why market shot up 500 point? Nobody has the answer. It's all about short and short covering and killing the short-term traders. So there was a huge unwinding of call options. And yesterday people have sold call options right from 15,200 all the way to 15,700. And all those call options saw unwinding today. They had to book the losses. But again, to recover the losses, now the people are selling put options all the way from 15,600 to 14,900. But if tomorrow gap down and fall 500 point, so these people will lose a lot of money this side also. But let us hope at least market stabilize tomorrow. So I told you yesterday, I bought REC, PFC, Tata Steel, Vedanta. All have given good appreciation today, except Vedanta. Vedanta, in fact, I bought around 235. It went up to 220. Again, come back to 235. I did not gain much, but other stocks have done extremely well. So many people think high dividend yield stocks will not give good returns, but I'll tell you my experience. High dividend yield stocks sometimes can give extraordinary return. In 2014-15, I suggested some stocks to my friends, and mostly there's a group called Rane Group in Chennai. So Rane brakes, Rane engine valves, Rane breaks, so few companies. And those days in 2014-15, it used to trade at a huge dividend yield of 10-11%. But in the next 3 years, and the share price multiplied by 2 times, 3 times. And just 2 years before, I suggested to my friends BSE Limited. It was trading around 500 rupees. Again, the reason was the high dividend yield. Now you know it has shot up nearly 4 times. So high dividend yield stocks are always good, and the downside potential is limited. And as and when it gives a good return, so you get double bonanza. One is the dividend yield, the other one is a capital appreciation. My Reliance trade is also doing well, and I think I told you yesterday I've done a bull call spread, bought 2500 call and sold 2600 call. So FIIs have sold for 2,700 crores, and one of the reasons why today there was a huge short covering, yesterday FIIs have sold less. They've sold only for 1,200 crores something. But today they have taken this opportunity, short covering opportunity, to sell more, 2,700 crores. But surprisingly, the domestic institutions have bought even for more, 3,100 crores. So normally during the short covering rally, domestic institutions do not buy, but today surprisingly they have bought. And with today, this month, FIIs have sold 46,000 crores. So successfully this month they have sold second highest in the history of Indian stock market, I think so, or at least in the last 1 year. And we still have how many more trading sessions? 5 trading sessions next week, 2 trading sessions this week for this expiry. So we still have 7 more trading sessions, and they have already sold second highest amount in last 1 year. See, let us see what happens. US markets, where it opens, and when we closed, Dow Jones was around 500 point higher. So that has to close around 500 point plus, so that our market can open flat or slightly positive. So otherwise some slight negative. So anyway, tomorrow and after tomorrow, and expiry is coming very near for this week expiry. So we hope to make some money out of this time decay. Otherwise, those who sold call options, including me yesterday, huge amount of call options, they are all sitting with good losses. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.